I love a fudgy.
Sorry, two swallows and talk.
You mean you don't want to see the brownie in my mouth as I talk? Hey y'all, I'm Sasha and I'm a baker and trainer in New York City, and this is Alt Baking Bootcamp with Well+Good. Today I have for you a super easy 7-ingredient sweet potato brownie that you're going to love. Now, before you shy away from the fact that it's made out of sweet potatoes, don't worry, you're not gonna taste them at all. And the delicious starchiness of the sweet potato actually lends to the most moist and amazing brownie. It's only 7 ingredients. As mentioned, the sweet potatoes are loaded with lots of good carbs to keep you full all day long. And the next largest ingredient in the recipe is peanut butter. So you have all the good fats, all the protein, all the good carbs. So it makes for a really perfect grab and go snack or even a brownie for breakfast. Some housekeeping items to get out of the way. You'll want to boil your sweet potatoes and then take the skin off and puree them in a food processor or in a high-speed blender. That way they're ready to go when you're ready to put all your ingredients in a bowl. I've measured out my peanut butter, maple syrup, and our dry ingredients. All we've got is cocoa powder, our leavener, and some oat flour. We're gonna put all of the wet ingredients in first, give it a little whisk, and then we're gonna add the dry ingredients. We can put it right into our pre-prepared baking pan, and then it goes in the oven. So I'm gonna start with the sweet potato. This recipe is so easy. All you do is put everything in the bowl, and then you're done. And now we're gonna give this a whirl. I'm using a handheld mixer because it's just easier than pulling out my KitchenAid. Once everything is fully emulsified, then I'm just gonna add my dry ingredients. And again, I've already put all of my dry ingredients in one bowl. So just for speed and ease, because again, this is the easiest recipe ever. To avoid getting flour everywhere, I'm just gonna gently fold this in, and then we're gonna put our chocolate chips in, give it another little quick whirl, and we'll be ready to bake. This smells so chocolatey and delicious. I could literally just have a spoonful of batter right now. Amazing. So, just wanna get any excess off of your attachments here. Make sure all of the dry ingredients have been fully incorporated. Sometimes they like to get stuck at the bottom, and that is what your spatula is for. And then, oh my God, it smells so good. Uh-oh. I've just got a parchment paper here in my brownie baking dish. It's gonna be like a much thicker, chunkier batter. And I've opted for crunchy peanut butter because that's just the type of person that I am. I love crunchy peanut butter, but you could definitely go for creamy here instead. So once you've spread everything all the way to each corner, we're gonna put it in the oven. Again, bake it at 325 for 20 minutes, rotate halfway through, let them completely cool, and then we're gonna cut them up into beautiful little squares, and I'll meet you back here for a taste test. They smell so good. Take a look at this. It is ooey and gooey, and you would never know there's sweet potato in there. And I can see little bits of my peanuts from the crunchy peanut butter. It smells divine. Alrighty, chefs, let's cut into her. All right, so I like to go first horizontally, leaving as many chocolate chips in one piece as possible. Oh my God, it smells so good, you guys. This is wild. All right, and then I'm gonna give it a little turn. We'll go this way. You have these perfect little squares for your brownie breakfast or your brownie snack, or really any brownie craving throughout the day. Oh, They're so fudgy and delicious. And like the texture is unreal. It's moist and oh, just so fudgy, so dense, so chocolatey smelling. I mean, what's left to do but eat it? Let's dig in. Oh my God. Oh, it's so fudgy. It's so chocolatey. It's the perfect texture, and you would never know that the base is sweet potato. And you would also never know that it's so good for you. It hits all your macronutrients. Perfect for a snack, perfect for breakfast, perfect for, again, anytime, like right now. So good, so easy, so simple. 7 ingredients, sweet potato, 1 bowl. You guys are gonna love this. You have to try to make it immediately. And for more recipes just like this, subscribe to Well+Good. See you later.